Now students, in this video we will learn how to working with sound and how to trimming an audio clip in PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint allow you to add audio file to your presentation. This audio file can play background music when objects or slide appears on the screen. To add sound to a presentation, we will first click on the Insert tab. In a Insert tab, Media Group, you will get here Audio option. Just you have to click on this tiny arrow and select Audio from File. Now, I already saved in desktop one audio. This is my audio. Yes, just you have to click here and click on the insert option. Then your audio file will come here. Okay. Then you have to click here on play option. Then your song will play. I am just raising my sound. You can see this is your audio file. This is the song I added here. Okay. Okay. The audio icon appears on this slideshow. You can see here, and that show it is an audio is a part of slide. The time to start an audio clip during the slideshow is defined in the setting under the audio tools tab. We can do again setting here. To define when to start an audio clip, then we can just when we start that audio file, you have to, for that setting, you have to click on this playback tab, and then here is some option is there: play, trim audio, volume, on click, without clicking. If you want automatically, then you have to click here automatically. Okay. And if you will click, you can just see. Now I am playing here slideshow from beginning. You can just see here. Your speaker icon is here, and your second slide come here. Then that time that audio will go. Audio is not there. Song is not playing here. Then what we will do then? For that, we will go here in playback option, and in a playback option, here is a one option, that is play across slide. Okay. Now we will play from beginning. Then your song will play. Song is there, you can see. On a full slides, song is there. In this way you can add here audio. Now when you are playing, that time this speaker icon is there in first slide. If you want to hide that icon, you just click on this playback option, playback tab, and here is one option, that is hide during show. Okay. Then, and we will click here play across slide, and okay, timing is there here, slide time mission, fade duration, and now you can see from beginning. Your that speaker icon is not there now. Now second one is the how to trim the audio clip. Second one is how to trim the audio clip. You can see here one is the setting in audio, that is, suppose you will click on the playback option and just here is a start option is there to choose when a start sound, to start the sound. The start list have two options, one is the on click, second one is the automatically. If you will click on the on click, the audio start when the mouse is clicked, and automatically that is the option is used to start automatically when the slide is shown. Okay, this is the two option, one is the on click and second one is the automatically. Okay, now we will just click on the automatically. Click the hide during the this is the hide for the when we want that speaker icon we don't want. Okay, now again slideshow is there, then select from beginning without clicking. Automatically sound will start. Okay, in this way, without clicking that audio will start. Next is the trimming an audio. How to trim the audio we will see now. Just you have to click on the speaker icon and select the playback option. Here is the trim audio option is there. Just you have to click on this trim audio option. That one box will come, dialog box will come for trimming your audio. Audio is loading here. First part I don't want from this audio. Okay, now you can see here this is the green bar and this is the red bar. Just click and drag the green handle to the position from where you want to start the audio for starting. Okay, I don't want this part, directly I want. And this is the red bar. This red handle to the position to where you want to end the audio in this way. Now click on the play button, you can see. You will start from here direct. Okay, then click on OK. Now we will play slideshow from beginning. Directly your audio will start. That first part will erase, means that trim, cut that audio. Is it clear, student? In this way you can add the audio clip in your presentation. Okay, thank you.